and I don't want to change my threading. I just want that. So what I'm going to do is press right here, which is like a plus and minus sign. And I'm going to increase it by 100, okay? Because I want to go straight to the B. So what I'm going to do is add 100. And you see this little green thing, it's going to show me where it's going to embroidery. So I'm just going to keep clicking 100. Okay, it stops at the B. So I'm going to start off with the B because I don't want to feel like doing all that embroidery. And sometimes it's good, like if you're changing your bobbin and maybe the white thread is showing because you change your bobbin, you could also go backwards if there or something happened with your needle or your bobbin and you don't want to ruin the embroidery design, start all over, then you could stitch 100 stitch backwards or 10 stitch backwards so your embroidery design won't look messed up. Okay, so I'm going to click OK here and I'm going to start. I'm going to press the start button and it's going to do the B. Uh-oh, is something's wrong. Okay, they pick up the stitch. She didn't pick it up before. So it's working fine now. Okay. So you know what? Even though the B is done, maybe I want the stitch to show a little better. So I'm going to go to the plus side and I'm going to do the same thing. 100, 100. Okay, so all I did, let me go minus 100. Okay, plus 100. So all I did is kept pressing 100 till I reached the B. I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to press the start button. Because I really would like the stitch to look really nice. And I'm gonna, okay, I'll make sure I'm done. So I don't want to do any more of it. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna press the back button and I'm gonna click delete. So it's gonna end the pattern for me. And that's it. So now I am gonna take this out. I'm gonna erase out the foot and take this out and show you how it looks. You can see the design, you see how pretty, and you see how I was able to fix the mistake. Because the first time I need to get scissors. The first time it didn't do it correctly, so I went over it again. Let's cut these little threads. I do have an embroidery scissors, but I'm just filming right now. See how nice that looks? Okay, so I'm gonna use for this one, I'm gonna use my let me delete